Kite, Tahi, or Alive. Welcome to the house of God, the Church Alive. On behalf of Solway Church Marsden, we say to the team, you're awesome in this place. And what an amazing light we have there. It was. Just an explanation for those who are unfamiliar with the haka that was just performed. There's a number of aspects there I'd just like to clarify. For those who don't know, they see those glaring eyes and those tongues poking out. What is that? I thought I was going to do a Christian thing. Well, actually it is. What we're saying, because the haka is demonstrative by nature, we're saying enough of what has been taken from us. We say to you, Satan, here's a line drawn in your room. Oh, they're pretty strong words. Well, actually, the church needs to stand up and claim what has been stolen. Anyone agree with me? So what you saw there was claiming back what has been stripped. Those things that have been introduced to our teenagers, those foreign substances that do not belong. Marriages, we're claiming back what's theirs. This here, it's a covenant. It's not a piece of paper, it's not some nice words. But it's a covenant. Just as what I would ask, that you would align yourselves with the team here. You see, there's another aspect there where we do say and we acknowledge at all times that Jesus Christ is the way, He is the truth, He is the life. Yeah. Are there other ways? Maybe. But I believe each and every one falls short of what the Lord requires. And there is a new way. I can tell you, after 30 years, you have never let me down yet. How's that for good Kiwi? I might have been the other couple. But He is always, forever, will be there for each of us. I thank goodness that one day He decided to arrest me. Absolutely apprehended me. I know